Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech W. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. So Creative Cloud Cleaner tool is a tool which helps you pretty much fixing any Adobe's error or any issues. But before you go ahead and run the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, you should make sure that all your plugins which are added or integrated to the Adobe's application, you need to save it locally, or you can have it saved in your local folder, because after running the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, it will clean everything. Okay, so here's the link guys. I have just extracted it from the Google. You can also do it on your own. You can just type in Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, and the very first link which opens, this is the link. The very first link which opens, that will be the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool link. Okay, let me show you how to run it. So in order to run the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, so this is the link. You will have both the option. You can see you have Mac as well as you have the Windows. So I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows. Yeah. And click on download. Once you click on download, it will be downloaded here at top and right corner if you're using Google Chrome. You can see under this tiny arrow button. So just click on Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner. Just click on the downloaded file, and it will ask you for the administrative permission. Simply click on yes. And then this screen will appear, and you'll have the two options, English and Japanese. Of course, we are going to select English. So type E as in English. Hit enter. And it's asking you to accept the term. So you have to click Y as in yes. Then you'll have these many options. So here we need to understand that if you want to remove a particular file, a particular application, just Creative Cloud Cleaner tool, you can use the option like number 6, type number 6, and that will remove the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. But here we are talking about fixing any error or any error codes. So if you have made any changes to your registry, and so that's not going, just uninstalling and reinstalling the application, it's not going to fix the issue. Like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, or Illustrator, if you just uninstall and reinstall, that's not going to fix the issue. If you have made any changes to the registry, that's not going to make any changes. So in order to fix those errors which you get with Premiere Pro, Adobe, Photoshop, and Illustrator, you need to remove all. So you have an option C. If you type here, if you type 1, that's going to remove all the applications of Adobe. Maybe in your system it might show the different number. So in my system it's showing 1, so I'm going to click 1 and hit enter. Again, it's giving me the option to clean all. Yes, I'll click on, and the option number 8, the clean all. So type 8, hit enter, and I can see, are you sure you want to clean all the listed products and associated files? Yes. I'll type Y as in yes and hit enter. So before I go ahead and hit enter, I'll show you what it's going to do. It's going to do like it will clean all, like it will fix the host file, it will remove the credentials and the libraries and the content manager, synchronizer, and it will also remove the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app as well. So basically it's going to remove everything. It will clean up everything. That is why it is called cleaner tool. So I'll type Y as in yes, and it will show you please wait for Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to finish. So let's wait a moment. So make sure before running this tool, your plugins which you have integrated with Adobe's application, you should have that saved in your local folder so that you can reinstall, you can again integrate to the Adobe's application, because once you run this tool, it will remove everything. So Creative Cloud Cleaner tool is basically used to fix the errors if there is any conflict with the plugins or if there is any conflict with your registry files. So if you run this cleaner tool, that's going to remove everything and you can reinstall the application after this. Just reinstalling the application is not going to fix the issue with your Photoshop, Premiere Pro or Illustrator, because you might have made changes with the registry, and in order to remove those changes, you need to run this cleaner tool. So as you can see, Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool is completed successfully. Alright, so you can just hit enter or type enter, and that's going to close the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. So once we are done with the cleaner tool, we need to reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app because it has just got uninstalled. So in order to reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app, you can just extract the link from the Google. I will also paste in the description box. You can try reinstalling the Creative Cloud desktop app and let me know in the comments it has worked for you. And I really hope that you will subscribe my channel. And if you need any help regarding Adobe's issues, Adobe's product issues, Adobe application issues, you can let me know in the comment. I will reply you with the steps. So here's the link. You can just type in Creative Cloud download helpx. The very first link is going to be this one, download Creative Cloud desktop app. You can just go ahead and click on it. You can also copy it from here, or you can also click on this Creative Cloud download page, and that will start downloading the Creative Cloud desktop app. And then you can sign in with your Adobe's credentials and start checking the application in which you were getting the error earlier. And kindly do let me know in the comments if it has worked for you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.